Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Healthy and Easy Recipes. So my recipe for you today is turkey stir fry, and my ingredients are, I have fresh turkey pieces, coconut oil, fry light, only 1 calorie spray, pesto sauce, yellow pepper, red pepper, 1 carrot, sugar snap peas, and an onion. So let's get started. So now I've just put my cooker on medium heat, and I'm going to add the Fry Light coconut oil spray into the pan. And then I'm going to add in the turkey pieces. And I'm going to leave this for it to fry for approximately 10 minutes. So while the turkey is cooking, I'm going to chop my peppers. I'm going to peel and chop the onion. And then also I'm going to grate the carrot. And so there's all our vegetables now prepared. So my next step to do is just check on how the turkey is doing. So you can see now that it is turning white, still a little bit pink on the inside. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add in the onions. Now I'm just going to cover this over and leave it for 5 minutes for it to cook before I add in the other vegetables. So now it's been 5 minutes, and you can see now that the turkey is all white, so it's nicely cooked. So next thing I'm going to go ahead and add in the sugar snap peas, red peppers, the yellow peppers, and then also the carrot. Give it a mix around, and then we're just going to leave that for it to simmer for another 5 minutes. So then when we come back in 5 minutes, we're going to then add in the pesto sun-dried tomato. So it's been another 5 minutes cooking now. So you can see that it's a beautiful colourful dish, cooking really nicely. So what I'm going to do now is add in 2 tablespoons of pesto, and then we're going to give that a mix around. And now I'm just going to cover it back over for 10 minutes and leave it for it to cook again. So just checking on our turkey stir fry now, and it is all cooked. It looks really delicious, and it's lovely and healthy. This dish only took 30 minutes for it to cook, which is really nice and quick. So what I'm going to do next is serve. And so there we have really delicious and easy to make turkey stir fry. If you like this video, guys, please do like and subscribe below. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a nice day.